A very good morning, students. I welcome you all for the discussion sensor technology for ADAS and connected car technology. This topic comes under the unit number 4 in the introduction to automated, connected, and intelligent vehicles. So, before going into the topic, we have to understand what are the sensors which can be used in the vehicles and basic electronics and communications which takes place in the electric vehicles and what kind of communication buses are used in the electric vehicles, then automation process, then data and AI, then safety and ethical thinking. These are all the things we have to know in order to have a clear picture about the sensor technology concept. So the topic for discussion is beyond driving the road to self-driving cars, that is an ADAS based cars. So tagline is, are you ready for the car that is smarter than your phone? So we could see there are more than 13 million people die in the road accidents worldwide, and many injuries and many waiting time and so many issues with the road travel. What we promises is zero crashes, zero congestion, and zero emission. That is what we promise. We are going to implement this topic with the help of an DT based one. We all know the five stages of design thinking, that is empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So in that, the first stage is empathize. So let us walk in their shoes. So if they are a daily commuter, I wish my car could handle the traffic so that I could relax and catch up some work. So the people can sit relaxedly and do the laptop work if they are stuck in the traffic congestion. Or elderly driver, they could not be that much reflexes if any sudden distractions happens. So the car has to handle with those issues. Then for the visually impaired persons, uh, they are moving freely without depending on anyone. That also be possible with the help of the ADAS system. The second is in define stage. So how to eliminate the human error, how to make the traffic flow seamlessly. So these are all the problem which we reframed. So we could use the LiDAR technology, radar cameras to support these issues, so that could able to give a better solution for the problems which we mentioned earlier. So the fully automated vehicle is nothing but a smart car which could able to think of its own and take the decisions what to be done at the what time, and it will give the necessary inputs to the user to take over the necessary actions. So this is the nervous system for the car, that is VTX technology, that is vehicle to everything, vehicle can able to connect with the pedestrian, vehicle to able to connect with the traffic signals or in the roads, or vehicle to vehicles or vehicle to building. So it could able to connect with everything. That is what the VTS technology conveys. The wild idea is to uh, have a very brilliant car that could able to take decisions by its own, where to go, how to change the lanes, everything the car will decide. That is what the idea behind the ADAS system. And also it will give some ethical solutions. If any ambulance occurs, it will clear the path automatically. Or if it is an emergency, then it will take a faster route, like that. it will have some ethical ideas. So this is the level 6 journey to autonomy. There are several levels in the ADAS system, that is level 1 data acquisition, level 2 perception and fusion, level 3 decision and planning, level 4 vehicle control and connectivity. We are moving towards the level 6. So we have to trust the machine. That is what the main thing is. We have to sit relaxedly and we have to trust the machine so that the machine will take care of the entire thing. So this is the car which could able to take care of the traffic, and it will locate the route, and it will have more number of sensors, and it will go in a safer manner. So we have to test the car in a prototype stage so that the main problems can be eradicated in the real-time implementation. So the test is in real world lab where the car will go into the real roads and it will face the challenges. And there are some over air updates can also be possible given to the cars. If any problem noted, then that problem will be recorded in the server, and if any software updates can be given, that can be given over the air. So it is all about combining the engineering, AI, data, ethics, communication network, and human experience. That is what the system tells. So this is a mind map regarding the car sensor technology for ADAS systems, the sensor types, then adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistant, then automated emergency braking, V2X, then AI complexity and ethics bias. So these are all some things which comes under the mind map of the sensor technology for ADAS and connected cars. So these are all some references which we took. So thank you for your patient listening. We'll be discussing another interesting topic in the upcoming video. Thank you all.